How to use your S1. The QBOID S1, it's an accessory to the Perceptor M2, making dimensioning and weighing items an even easier, quicker, and hands-free experience. Turbocharge your packing station or master data capture at receiving with the QBOID S1. Setting up your S1 should take 15 minutes or less right out of the shipping carton. Once set up, it's recommended to place your S1 on a bench, and it's lightweight enough to move around a typical warehouse pushcart. You can run the S1 for hours on a basic phone battery charger. Plug your M2 into the cradle to automatically start the S1 app, and you'll see the M2 logo switch to the S1 automatically. Press the 0 button on the S1 screen to 0 before you do your first scan. Pressing the 0 key means the M2 is learning what the default background scene geometry is for all subsequent scans. Once ready, put your first item on the center of the scale. Take the handheld barcode scanner and scan the UPC or whatever barcode symbology you want to capture and associate this scan with. The M2 at that time will instantly capture all at the same time the length, width, height, the weight, the barcode, and 3 different images. You'll hear a little beep from the M2 denoting a successful scan. Just remove the item from the scale. That's it. The S1 will automatically send all the information to your cloud or endpoint and also automatically reset the workflow for the next scan. You can then move on to your next item. It's as simple as that. If your item doesn't have a barcode, you can just hit the M2 Capture Dimensions button instead of the barcode scanner. You can dimension items that are bigger than the scale. Just make sure the preview sees the entire item. Some pro tips. You can hold the barcode scanner in one hand and move the items with the other hand for maximum efficiency. You can do one capture every 5 to 8 seconds, including product moves. No touchscreen interaction is required, as the S1 autosaves once the scanned item is removed from the scale. The S1 is a simple way to mount the M2 above a small workspace to gather dimensions, where operating the M2 by hand might have been difficult. It's easy to use on typical existing work surfaces and much faster data capture, as simultaneously the S1 captures dimensions, barcode, weight, and images.